If somebody had told me about 6 years ago when I was so confused, trying to figure out what to do in my life, if they had told me that I'll be able to sit in my home, create designs using AI because I'm not a designer, and I'll be able to just use my laptop or my phone, and I'll be able to make up to $10,000 a month, I would never have believed them. And I know that it's so hard for you to believe it when you are not there, that even when it was so difficult, when I tried and failed, I still tried something else, and today I'm so grateful that I was persistent, because now I don't need to go to any job, I don't need to work for anyone again. I know how to make money online. And overcomers, that is my cry for every one of you. My desire for us is that we'll be able to get to that point where we can build at least 5 different streams of income. Is it possible? Yes, it is. And today, I want to show you one of the easiest things that you can do and make money online. You can use your phone, you can use a computer, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. So long as you are able to have internet, then you are able to create this product.
I'm an overcomer by God's grace, I rise.
If ever you want to create any product online and you don't have a research tool, just go to Google and search for Google trend like this. Type whatever thing that you are researching on. Let's say in this video, I want to show us how to make stickers. Now you go ahead and you search for stickers just like this. Now you can see the trend of stickers. Now this is just the past day. Go ahead and go here and look for past 5 years, and then it's going to be able to tell you, give you exactly how people are searching for the word stickers on the entire internet, right? And now if you look here, you will see that this trend has kind of been growing. So it's not anything that is going anywhere. The trend for stickers is growing. It's something that anybody can start doing today, and as you are persistent, you are going to be able to make money. Just to help you to understand how this trend works, if you come here now, I've just come and typed mothers, and this is the trend for mothers. You see that during Mother's Day it goes up, and where it is up here, that's where stickers are. If you look at it, you see that for Mother's Day it is going up, but after that the word mothers comes down. But if you look at the word stickers, it stays almost up all the time, just showing that there is so much demand for stickers. Also, if you come to Etsy and just type the word stickers, you will see all kinds of stickers. Just look at this one that says "You rock," and look at the number of reviews that are on these stickers. It just tells you how many people have bought it. 2.9k reviews, and it's not every person who buys something that leaves a review. If you scroll down, look at this one that says "You are doing amazing." This is the kind of thing that people love, right? Because you are encouraging somebody. And look at it, almost 22,000 reviews. Like before, I could not even understand why people will be buying these things like this, right? Let me show you an example. If you come to Amazon just like this and you go to bestseller, you will see that, look at, you see the things that are trending, these water bottles, this kind of things that are trending like this, all these things, people buy these stickers and they put them on their water bottles, they put them on their laptop, they put them on so many things, especially if you do them well. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know to be able to create high quality stickers. Since I've been doing this, I've tried many different things, and I have a prompt that I'm going to put in the description box down below for you. You can just go ahead and copy that prompt. You can change anything that you want. If you like, you can write your stickers. If you like, you can write your ideas. If you want, you can go to ChatGPT for ChatGPT to give you ideas. So follow me step by step, do everything I do, and at the end, you'll be able to have an amazing product. ChatGPT is going to give us 10 different sticker ideas. And now from here, we are going to copy each of them. So go ahead and read them. Let's just copy this first one, just like this. And then I'm going to copy it. Let's go now to Kittl. You can use any AI generating platform, but I prefer to use Kittl because its quality and the designs are amazing. Since I started using it, I've always really enjoyed to use Kittl. Everything that you make on Kittl or anything that you customize, you are not going to have any copyright issues. I'm going to have a link down below. You can go ahead and sign up completely for free. And also, if you want to purchase it, I have a code down below, Delphine YT. You can go ahead and use it. You are going to have 25% off your first or your annual purchase. And one amazing thing about Kittl is that when you come here, you see where it says trending. You can click here and then you'll be able to see the things that are trending. Let's just go ahead and type stickers here. If you type stickers here, you'll be able to see all the stickers that are trending now, and so you can come here and look for anyone that you like and just customize it if you don't know what to do. So this thing, anybody can do it. Even little children, they are able to come here and customize it. So overcomers, we don't have any reason to complain. Even the children, you can call the children, give them this video so that they can go ahead and learn these skills instead of them sitting and watching electronics. These are things that are going to transform their lives. Especially now we are growing into the AI era. Many things are changing, and so if our children have the opportunity to learn all these things that we are learning, it is so amazing. So now when we are here, I want you to just come here and click on new project. So while you are here on new project, I just want you to come here, just take standard. You are going to see what I'm going to do. So go ahead and just put 300 right here, and then go ahead and create. So after you create like this, so what I want you to do is that go ahead and copy your prompt, which we already did, and then you just come here, come where it says Kittl AI right here, and then you go ahead and paste your prompt right here. And now you choose, you can come here to see all these different designs, all these image styles. You go ahead and choose which one you want, and now you go ahead and click generate and watch Kittl AI do the job for us. Wow, overcomers. So look at the sticker, it says shine bright. Looks so amazing. You can go ahead and just duplicate it like this, delete whatever you have here. Wow, see how the next one looks. So you can go ahead and just continue and design all your stickers, and you can also change the prompt. If something comes out and you don't like it, you just redesign it. It is AI. Things will come out that are not really nice. You just go ahead and do it as many times as you want. Now, one secret that I want to tell you is that when you are creating your stickers, it's always good to combine two different niches. For example, right, if you say that you want to say Christian women who love dogs, so you can take those two things, and then now it's going to form one niche. Now it will make your products to have very high demand. So you can say nurses who love dogs. You can say teachers who love cats. Take some two things that are already trending and put them together. So when you do that, you are narrowing down your niche, but you are increasing your sales, because you are not just making general products. You are making particular products, and you are targeting a particular group of people. Every time you want to create any product, just always have at the back of your mind that you are solving a particular problem. When you have that at the back of your mind, it's going to help you with the kind of designs too that you are making. So, and then when you design this, you can also always just come here, see if there is anything that you need to change. You can always come here and make any changes. So right now I'm just removing the background. So you see how I've removed the background. So if I go back now, you see how the background was. If there is anything that I want to edit, so I can just come here and make any edit that I want. So you see what I'm doing. So all these things here, you can just come here. You see how I'm increasing the redness toward the head. Take your time. See how I've changed the color right here. So another thing that I always like to do is that I just like to come to the mockups and then see how this thing is going to look on mockups. So let me just take this for example, and then I'll go to create a mockup. So if they put a sticker on a pillow like this, then it's going to look something like this. This can clearly give you an idea how it's going to look like on your products. If somebody put it like this, or on a water bottle, this is how it's going to look like. So now that we have an idea, let's just go back and let's go ahead and download all our stickers. So just come here, make sure that you are downloading all. And I always like to put 300 here just to make it high quality. And then come here, make sure you are removing the background, and then also make sure you are putting here optimized quality, and then you just go ahead and download it. It's going to download all your stickers. So but I want you to make at least 4 stickers here. I'm just going to go ahead and I'll download 2 other stickers from here that I had already made, so that we are going to have a total of 4. And then I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do. Go ahead and check the description box. Anything that I mentioned in this video is going to be there, and you can book a free one-on-one call with me if you need any extra help. Now I want us to go to Printfify. I'm going to have a link down below. You can sign up if you don't have an account. You go ahead and sign up completely for free. Like, you can just come where it says search and then search for stickers, or you go ahead and look for best-selling stickers. What I always do is that I like to search like that, and then the ones that I like to do is these ones. these ones that have sticker sheet. So search for sticker sheet. The reason why I like to use sticker sheets is because the customer will be able to have 4 different stickers and people like it that way. Just go ahead and click here where it says start designing. And now this is how it's going to look. Let me open this. So this is the 4 section. So this is how we are going to put the 4 different stickers. Now I want you to come to this one that says top left, just like this. And now go ahead and go and upload all your stickers. So now the next thing I want you to do is just to come here, go to my device, and then go ahead and upload all your stickers that you've generated. So now this is the first sticker. And then now see where it is. It's on the left side. You can make your sticker to fit in this frame, but if it doesn't fit, it's perfectly okay. Now that's the top left. You go now to top right. Go ahead and upload and do exactly what you just did. After you've uploaded all your stickers, you can come here to view all, so you see how all your stickers are right here. Then an amazing thing that you can do is that you can come here, select variation. Now you can come here to and preview and see how it's going to look like. So if you take this, you see how it's going to look like on this book. So after you've done that, you can go ahead and save your product. Then you can come here, see the sticker. You can go ahead now and fix the title. Assuming that you are doing it for nurses who love dogs, then you make sure that you are putting that information on your title, so that when people are searching, let's say wherever you put your sticker, when people are searching, those terms that you use, those are called keywords. Those keywords are going to come up. And also when you are writing your description, come here now and customize your description. Make sure that your description is focusing on that particular individual. When you have done all of that, you come down here. You can also fix your prices depending on how much money you want to make. So look at the profit. Just assume that you want to be able to make at least $200 a day from your stickers. Now look at the profit that you are going to make here. How many stickers do you need to sell? So that is going to help you to know how to market your product. The good thing about Printfify is that you can connect any of these shops. You can connect Etsy, Shopify, TikTok. So you have no limit. This same product that you have created like this, you can sell it on all these other platforms. And so the more you are able to sell your products on different platforms, so long as you are driving traffic toward that product, then you'll be able to make sales. So you can go ahead and click on this next video that is going to walk you through step by step how to be able to connect your store. Let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video. Thank you so much, Overcomers, for watching this video to the end. I'm going to see you in the next video. Love you all so much.
It's been a while since we laid down.